Hello, welcome to Learn Mathematics. In this video I am going to solve a question. This is a real analysis question. The question was there in the exam CSIR UGC NET June 2011. This question was there in this exam. The question is, consider the function fx equals to e to the power x, e to the power minus x, and its Taylor approximation gx of degree 3. That is, the given function is e to the power minus x, and its Taylor approximation is gx of degree 3. For x equals to 1 by third, we have to approximate the value of gx at x equals to 1 by third. Let's solve the problem. The given options are positive and less than 1, that is value of gx at x equals to 1 by third is positive, and less than 1, that means 0 less equals to gx, positive, that means 0 less than gx less than 1, negative or less than minus 2, that means gx, this means gx less than minus 2, and 3 positive and greater than 1, that means gx is greater than 1, and 4 less than 1 but greater than 0.75, that means 0.75 less than gx less than 1. These are the all 4 options. Now let's solve this problem. The Taylor approximation of fx, the Taylor approximation of fx, the Taylor approximation of fx about x equals to 1 by third is given by what is the Taylor approximation? The Taylor approximation gx is given by f of 1 by third plus 1 by 1 factorial f dash 1 by third into x minus 1 by third plus 1 by 2 factorial f double dash 1 by third x minus into x minus 1 by x minus 1 by third the whole square plus 1 by 3 factorial f triple dash 1 by third x minus 1 by third whole cube. Now if we substitute x equals to 1 by third, then into this equation, what we have? We have that z of 1 by third is equals to f of 1 by third plus this is 1 by 1 factorial, so 1, so this is f dash 1 by third minus 1 by third plus 1 by 2 factorial is 1 by 2 f double dash 1 by third, and this is 1 by third minus 1 by third whole square, and this is plus 1 by 3 factorial is 6, so this is f triple dash 1 by third, this is 1 by third minus 1 by third whole cube. So that implies that z of 1 by third is equals to, so this is 0, because 1 by third minus 1 by third is 0, and 0 into f dash 1 by third is 0, so this is 1 by third minus 1 by third whole square, so this is 0, so f double dash 1 by third into 0 is 0. Similarly these terms also equals to 0, so we have f of 1 by third. which gives us e to the power, we know that f of x is e to the power minus x. So you can replace x with 1 by third, so we will get f of 1 by third, and this gives us 1 by third. So we know that value of exponential is always positive, so this value is always greater than 0. Now since the value of e, since the value of e is in between 2 and 3, that imply that e to the power 1 by third is 2 to the power, in between 2 to the power 1 by third to 3 to the power 1 by third, and this implies that e to the power minus 1 by third is actually less than 1. So the value of z 1 by third is actually greater than 0 and less than 1. Hence option 1 is correct.